Singing Beach. The waves are about maybe, here's a nice one. That's got to be about 12 feet. Nice breaker. And that's coming off the edge of the rocks over there. Those rocks are about 60 feet tall and the waves are coming right up the side of them. They got to be 20, 25 foot waves. Pretty intense. Really cool. A lot of major waves. A lot of wind. Got 2 feet of snow this morning. It's about 10 o'clock high tide. Saturday. Lots of waves. The waves are coming all the way up to the breaker wall, smashing against it. Normally these wouldn't even get close to here. This would be all beach, and this is where it's busting up. It's pretty amazing. I'll just let you listen. Look at those waves coming in there. Way out there, that breaker coming in is about 20 feet. You can see it breaking right now. It's a big, big wave. I haven't seen them this big ever in this beach. Pretty amazing. Pretty intense. All the way up to the water, to the road here. And that's the beach there. Normally the beach pretty intense. After 10, I think. The night time is at 10 o'clock, so it just switched. Might have gotten the worst of it. Maybe. You can see it comes right up the beach. Normally people are on all that whitewash area in the summertime. It's pretty wild. Pretty amazing. Quite the storm.